Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get TikTok coins for free. So I'm going to open it up and you can see zero, but you can see all the coins are $0. If we click it again, click it again, and you can just load up on the coins. So it's so easy to do, very simple. And in order for us to do this, I'm going to be showing you guys the app that we have to download. It's called TikTok Coins Adder. So yeah, without further ado, as long as you have a phone, regardless of whether it's an iOS device or an Android device, and you have internet, you can download this for yourself. So we're not going to be using the Play Store or the App Store. We're going to be using a web browsing app of your choice, whether it be Safari or whether it be Google Chrome. Doesn't matter. As long as you have a web browsing app of your choice, you can download this. So let's go. General, about, you want to make sure that it's anything above iOS 11, which you can see this clearly is. And you want to go to background app refresh. You want to make sure the background app refresh is turned on, which once again, as you can see, it is turned on. And once you have that on, you go to battery and make sure that low power mode is turned off. Once you have that, you want to go make sure that the web browsing app you choose to use, which is for us going to be Safari, has their JavaScript turned on. And for all of these web browsers, just scroll to the bottom, go to the advanced settings to find it. Then we're going to go to our web browsing app choice, Safari, and we're going to go to this website, yuluhelp.co. yuluhelp.co, and then we're gonna go to TikTok Coins Adder, hit download. Hit allow, close, swipe up, settings, general, VPN and device management, TikTok coin adders, install, enter passcode, next, install, done. Swipe up, and there you go, TikTok coin adders. Very simple, very straightforward. And if you have any struggles, make sure to just rewatch the video and you should be able to solve it.